Hello, welcome back. Let's create this fingerprint-inspired design in CorelDraw, a designing program. So here we have the logo of tongue tips, and then it's going to be duplicated so that we have this friction ridges kind of look from your fingers. If you put your fingers onto an inked surface to do some document kind of stuff. So let's do this. We have the logo of tongue tips, which is this one, or drag any logo. Right click on the black colored section so that we have a black outline. Click here so that we have no fill, and then what's going to duplicate the logo is this contour tool. So increase the number of steps and then drag it just like this. Make sure that this ridge is thin, just like this. You can add more steps if it's not going to fit the square. This would do. Afterwards, you hold on, right click on the logo and then click on break contour apart, and then you click on this and then you click on ungroup all objects, just like this. We're going to be deleting some parts. Let's say after 1 and 2. After 2 closed curves, just like this. When you're done deleting the 2 closed curves, after a ridge, after some ridges, you simply click on this one. No. This one. And then you click on trim under shape, and then you click on trim. Trim the outer outline and then delete this. Continue doing it. Simply do it one by one until the ridges have been formed. All of the ridges have been formed. Once you're done with the ridges, head over to weld and then click on a ridge to merge them all and then color it black. No. Gray, for example, and then right click on this one so that there's no outline for this. Afterwards, click on the rectangle tool to create this rectangle that will contain the logo with the fingerprint ridges. Hold the Control and the Shift keys, drag it just like so until it reaches the outer part of the logo mark, and then click on the shape tool so that we can create this roundy part, just like this. Afterwards, click on the logo and then head over to intersect, and then you click on intersect with, just like this, and then you're done. You can color it now. So for the square, let's say if you want to have this shade, and then click here, interactive fill, and then hold the Control key and then drag it just like so that you create this gradient. Then put any color for the gradient, just like this. Right click on this so that the outlines are gone, and then click on the ridges that form the logo, and then you click on the interactive fill tool and then drag the cursor while holding the Control key. Drag the white onto this part, and then make it gray, just like this. Now you're done. You're done making this fingerprint inspired design for your logo in CorelDraw. Thank you for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.